to Auto Shutdown Windows. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, Windows 11's built-in task schedule utility allows you to run predefined tasks at specified times. Simply launch the task scheduler. Then all you have to do is, from the Utilities menu bar, choose Action, Create Basic Task. On the Create Basic Task wizard window, click the name field and type a name for the task, something like Automatic Shutdown. Optionally type a description for the task, then click Next. On the following screen, choose the task recurring frequency. If you want your PC to automatically shut down only once, choose one time, otherwise select another option, then click Next. On the following page, select the date and time when you want your PC to shut down, then choose Next. The utility will ask what you want to do at the time you specified. Select Start a Program and click Next. After that, all you have to do is, as this tells the shutdown.exe file to turn off your PC, while T, this followed by 0 tells the file to shut down your PC immediately. F, this forces your PC to shut down even if there are interfering apps. So now all you have to do is select the Add Arguments optional field and type these arguments there. Then click Next. After that, on the final screen, review the task detail and ensure everything looks good. If you want to change something, then you can click back and make changes, or else choose Finish to finish creating this task. Task scheduler will now run your task at the specified time. In the future, if you'd like to stop your PC from shutting down, remove the task by clicking the task in the task scheduler and choosing Delete. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.